How to make money trading Forex. This video has many different subtitles, such as Vietnamese, Japanese and more. Please click CC button to select your language. Placing a trade in the foreign exchange market is simple. The mechanics of a trade are very similar to those found in other financial markets, like the stock market, so if you have any experience in trading, you should be able to pick it up pretty quickly. The objective of Forex trading is to exchange one currency for another in the expectation that the price will change. More specifically, that the currency you bought will increase in value compared to the one you sold. How to read a Forex quote. An exchange rate is simply the ratio of one currency valued against another currency. Currencies are always quoted in pairs, such as GBP, USD or USD, JPY. The reason they are quoted in pairs is that, in every foreign exchange transaction, you are simultaneously buying one currency and selling another. Here is an example of a foreign exchange rate for the British pound versus the US dollar. The first listed currency to the left of the slash is known as the base currency, in this example, the British pound, while the second one on the right is called the counter or quote currency, in this example, the US dollar. When buying, the exchange rate tells you how much you have to pay in units of the quote currency to buy 1 unit of the base currency. In the example above, you have to pay 1.51258 US dollars to buy 1 British pound. When selling, the exchange rate tells you how many units of the quote currency you get for selling 1 unit of the base currency. In the example above, you will receive 1.51258 US dollars when you sell 1 British pound. Long and short. First, you should determine whether you want to buy or sell. If you want to buy, which actually means buy the base currency and sell the quote currency, you want the base currency to rise in value and then you would sell it back at a higher price. In trader talk, this is called going long or taking a long position. Just remember, long means buy. If you want to sell, which actually means sell the base currency and buy the quote currency, you want the base currency to fall in value and then you would buy it back at a lower price. This is called going short or taking a short position. Just remember, short means sell. The bid, ask and spread. All Forex quotes are quoted with two prices, the bid and ask. In general, the bid is lower than the ask price. The bid is the price at which your broker is willing to buy the base currency in exchange for the quote currency. This means the bid is the best available price at which you, the trader, will sell to the market. If you want to sell something, the broker will buy it from you at the bid price. The ask is the price at which your broker will sell the base currency in exchange for the quote currency. This means the ask price is the best available price at which you will buy from the market. Another word for ask is the offer price. If you want to buy something, the broker will sell or offer it to you at the ask price. The difference between the bid and the ask price is known as the spread. On the EUR/USD, this quote, the bid price is 1.1051 and the ask price is 1.1053. Look at how this broker makes it so easy for you to trade away your money. If you want to sell EUR, you click sell and you will sell euros at 1.1051. If you want to buy EUR, you click buy and you will buy euros at 1.1053. Please click the subscribe button and don't forget to check the description below for more information.